Welcome to Long Reef. Long Reef is situated on Sydney's Upper North Shore, just 21 kilometers north of the CBD. Nestled between Dee Why Lagoon and the Tasman Sea, it features iconic landmarks like Long Reef Point, Long Reef Headland, and the scenic Bicentennial Coastal Walk. With convenient parking at Pittwater Road, Long Reef remains one of Sydney's most breathtaking coastal treasures. Long Reef Beach. Long Reef Beach is a stunning stretch of golden sand, perfect for swimmers, surfers, and families. The reliable sandbanks create excellent beach breaks, ideal for beginners and intermediate surfers. The beach is calm and sheltered with gentle waves throughout the day. Whether you're catching waves, swimming, or relaxing, Long Reef Beach offers the perfect blend of accessibility and natural beauty. Wildlife and nature. Long Reef is home to a variety of seabirds, from elegant seagulls to graceful herons. This thriving ecosystem creates a serene and magical atmosphere where nature thrives undisturbed. Activities and adventures. Long Reef offers incredible opportunities for adventure seekers of all kinds. North Long Reef is a favorite destination for paragliding, where you can experience the pure joy of free flight above the stunning northern beach's coastline. The elevated cliffs provide the perfect launch point for paragliders to soar high above the turquoise waters and golden sands below. Beyond paragliding, Long Reef is perfect for hiking, photography, picnicking, and swimming. The pristine coastal environment makes it an ideal spot for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. You can explore the dramatic rock pools at low tide, search for native wildlife, or simply enjoy breathtaking panoramic views that stretch across the Sydney coastline. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping activities or peaceful moments in nature, Long Reef delivers an unforgettable experience. This is truly a place where adventure and tranquility coexist beautifully. Long Reef Point. Long Reef Point Beach showcases the perfect blend of golden sand, rock pools, and the powerful reef system that defines this iconic location. Long Reef Point is home to an incredible offshore reef system known as the Long Reef Bombora. This unique formation starts to break at just 1 meter and can produce stunning waves reaching up to 5 meters during big south swells. The reef creates a spectacular display of raw ocean power, with white water exploding across the golden sandbanks below. This is a world-class surf spot that attracts experienced surfers from around the globe, drawn by the challenge and beauty of riding these powerful reef breaks. It's a testament to Long Reef's incredible natural geography and why it's considered one of Sydney's premier coastal destinations. The aerial view of Long Reef is simply breathtaking. Golden cliffs, pristine beaches, and the dramatic reef formations all come together to create a landscape of extraordinary natural beauty. Long Reef Headland. Long Reef Headland rises majestically from the sea, creating some of Sydney's most Instagram-worthy coastal views. Long Reef Golf. Long Reef Golf Club sits majestically on the cliffs, offering golfers world-class fairways with unbeatable panoramic ocean views. Dee Why. Just south of Long Reef lies Dee Why, another spectacular northern beaches destination. This vibrant coastal suburb offers its own charm, pristine waters, golden sands, and a thriving beach culture that complements the Long Reef experience perfectly. Long Reef Headland Walk. The Long Reef Headland Walk is a spectacular 3-kilometer journey beginning at Collaroy Beach and ending at pristine Long Reef Beach. This coastal trail winds through native vegetation and along dramatic cliff edges, offering breathtaking panoramic views at every turn. The well-maintained pathway is accessible for all fitness levels, making it the perfect Long Reef adventure. Long Reef Point. Welcome to Long Reef Point, the crown jewel of Sydney's northern beaches. Standing here, you witness the full grandeur of this coastal masterpiece. Turquoise waters crash against ancient cliffs, endless horizons stretch before you, and you understand why this place is truly unforgettable. For more stunning coastal explorations like this, don't forget to subscribe and explore more incredible locations on this channel.